gosh, we're live at Monkey Do, and we have 2 butterflies, right? So, did you say pink?
Yes, I want pink too.
You're both gonna be pink? Okay,
Pink
so
too.
pretty. But we're not doing sparkles.
No
Is that what Mama
sparkles
said?
today.
Okay,
No sparkles
0
today.
sparkles today. Okay, close
Because
eyes.
usually I get them in my eyes.
Don't squeeze.
Why do you have to
Don't
dab?
squeeze. And go dry it. And other side, Angel.
You're gonna look pretty. I know, Kira. You're looking pretty.
We'll let that dry for
You're
a sec.
good.
And we'll get Sissy caught up to you.
Why do you need a camera?
Well, because I have a cool YouTube channel here. Close eyes softly. And it's fun to be on. No, we're gonna. You can open your eyes slowly though. I'm just letting you dry just a little bit, and then we'll do some details. Okay, Pumpkin?
You're gonna look pretty. You look pretty too. Is mine already pink?
Yeah, you both look. If you look at each other, you'll see what you look like.
Can we do them each?
Excuse me. Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm one of the
Jeff,
owners.
how are
You've
you?
been talking
Nice
to
to
my wife,
meet
Claudia.
you. Yeah.
Thank
How's
you.
it
So what's your
going?
name?
Abby.
Abby. Thanks for coming in.
My total
You guys have fun?
pleasure.
Awesome. All right.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll be busy today.
Who's this?
This is Roddy.
Hi,
Hi,
Kira.
darling. Well, you want to take a number so you can get your face
You want to get your
painted?
face
We
painted?
gotta get you face painted. Take a number just in case. Here, come here, lovey bear. Close eyes softly.
Okay. That tickles a little
Don't open until I dry it, okay?
bit.
Boop. Good girl. Other side.
Dude, you're gonna look so pretty. You're gonna look so pretty. Can I open them
Yep,
softly?
you can open very nicely.
Mommy's a good painter too.
Mommy's an artist.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Let me see again.
That tickles a little. You're a good artist. I like your butterfly dress.
Thank you.
I love it too.
Thank you, girls.
Me and Lee look exactly like the same.
Let
Wow.
me see it again.
Can I see with the mirror after?
Yeah, you can.
Do you guys have a mirror?
I do.
Or sometimes. Wow.
I just need a little.
Hi, Mama. Not my name and not my name. My name. No, go.
I'm not going to show you yet. Well, I'll give you a little peek. Sneak peek. Sneak peek. You need your black, right?
Right. After when it's all
Of
done.
course.
Is mine all done yet?
I might do a little more.
Can I see it after?
Of course. Okay, watch out while I paint Sissy. Soft eyes, gentle.
Can I watch it?
As soon as this is on, honey, I'm gonna dry it, so just don't open. Other side, babe.
Here, you got makeup on. Mommy, do I
You do. Come a little closer, my angel. And you go a little back.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we have a pillow.
You guys are my very first ever in the world monkey do video. That's so cool. And you're my very first ever in the world monkey do face paints. It's super exciting.
Kira, you look adorable. Am I gonna be like her after?
Yeah, you're both gonna be so beautiful.
Do I have black stuff on my nose?
You do. You have black stuff on your nose too.
I'm not dot.
Now we'll just do a little white, just to. You get to go first this time.
Do I have to have white on me too?
Sure.
Okay. Look at me, Mom.
Let me see, baby.
Can I keep my eyes open?
Uh-huh. Presenting the ones and only.
I like
You're
it
the first
here.
butterflies ever.
Pretty.
So pretty. Okay, put your heads together. Like this.